So when you work around with the editing projects inside of HitFilm, you are using certain quality profile. So if you want to go ahead and change it, then you can go around over here onto the file menu, and then you can go around over here in options. So once you go around onto options, you can see that quality profiles is an option right here. And by default, you can see that most of the quality is set to final quality right here. So you can see that it says 2D effects, light, shadows, whatever is here right now is in final quality. This isn't a problem if you have a very high specs computer, but if you're using a low spec computer for video editing, then you may want to go around and change these out right here. So from final, you can go around and disable. You can uncheck these out, as you can see right here, just like this. And then over here, maybe you want to select out fastest for all of these, for reflection, for motion blur, and depth of field, whatever you may apply, as you can see right here, which makes the working much more smoother when you go around and play and edit out the videos, you apply effects, it becomes much more smoother. So, but if you're using, let's say a high specs computer, you can turn them back out on as well. You can go around back onto options, and then you can turn back the final quality on as well. So if when you're editing, your editor is lagging behind, you may want to go around and change the quality profile right here. If you want to restore it back to default, then you can simply click on restore quality profile defaults. Then you can see that you simply get these profiles over here just like this, and that is what you have. And when you work around with a low quality profile, what happens is that you don't get the final output right away for your videos until you export them or render them out. So you do see a low quality version of the video while you're editing if you have the low quality profile settings, and that is something that you have to keep in mind. And that is how you can set the quality profile inside of HitFilm for editing projects, and you can set it to low quality profile if you have a low spec computer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.